Hi neighbors, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood here. Anywho, today I am making Chicken Scarpariello, and I am doing a collaboration with one of my best friends. Her name is Linda, and she has a channel called Create with Linda. It is really nice to hang with her, so hope that you go over and watch her video. We're both doing a chicken recipe. I don't know what she's making. So go over and check it out and leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and show some love, and let's get started. What I did so far, just to kind of get ahead of things a little bit, is I browned up some sweet Italian sausage. Okay, so you can use hot Italian and sweet Italian sausage mixed, or just the hot, but this dish is, or just the sweet. I have some chicken thighs. You can use a bunch of different chicken parts if you like. This is chicken thighs. I'm going to brown each side for a few minutes here. So we've been browning up our chicken, and I'm taking that out and putting it in the pan with the sausage. I'm just going to fry up. We need some sweet peppers and we need some onion, okay? So I'm going to use the oils that were released from everything that I was frying to saute these for a minute or two. Probably more like 2 or 3 minutes. So I'll show you how to build the sauce that will go over this. But I may transfer this into a bigger pan.
So the chicken and the sausage is in the thing.
Okay. Now, over here.
And over there you put all the stuff in the pan?
Yeah, all the peppers and onions. So now I pour this over there's a little bit of oil left in the pan, which is great. Now, I'm going to use a cup of chicken stock, a few cloves of garlic, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. I didn't have fresh, so I'm using minced. Now at this point, normally I would put in a 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of dry white wine, but I don't have any. So we're just going to go with the chicken stock. But if you have a dry white wine, traditionally, throw that in there. I did not get to the store. And also I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar. Okay, and I'm just deglazing the pan a bit. Now you see, I would normally let that go for about 4 minutes, 5 minutes with the wine in it, burning out the alcohol and reducing the wine and stuff. Okay, but we don't have to leave it in that long because there's no wine. This is hot peppers. Get the hot peppers, your choice. This is California hot peppers, that pickled hot peppers. They also go in the dish with the sweet peppers, hot peppers.
You leave the stems on?
Well, I do, and then they know it's the hot peppers, right? Because you're going to cut it with a fork anyway.
Then they, as in me, as in I don't look at my food. I just
you just swallow it. Okay, so now my oven is preheated to 375, and it's going to go in the oven for 45 minutes, 35 to 45 minutes, till the chicken and everything is cooked through. And it is an internal temperature of 165. We'll take you back when it's ready. I'm just going to expose the chicken a bit just so that it browns some more. Before I put it in the oven, I like to sprinkle over 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Okay. We'll be back in 45 minutes. It's been a little more than 45 minutes. It's all cooked. She's ready to roll. And looky there. I'm just going to push it over towards you. Yes. Can you do a shot of that or what? Now, oftentimes people cook this with potatoes mixed in it as well, or making potato wedges on the side, so you can put potatoes in it if you like. We didn't do that today. One thing I didn't do was salt and pepper it. I'm just going to grab sausage. Okay. And just going to have a little tasty pool. Now, like I say, I usually put in 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of wine, and it does really add a lot of flavor to the sauce, but I did not do that today. Go check out what chicken dish Linda made over on her channel, Create with Linda, and like, comment, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Peace. Keep a good heart. See you in the next video, guys. Take care.